Here's something I need you to hear. Act as an expert is one of the most common AI instructions and one of the least effective. It's the equivalent of calling a staffing agency and saying, "Send me someone good." You get whoever shows up. Today, I have 12 role prompts that have been tested across more than 10,000 AI conversations and ranked by how much they improve output quality. We're starting from the most impactful and working down.
Before we get into the 12 prompts, let's nail the definition. A role prompt assigns the AI a complete expert identity, not act as a marketer. That could be an intern or a CMO. The formula on the left is what every strong role prompt includes: seniority, specific number of years or title; specialization, the narrow niche, not the broad category; function, what the person actually does; domain, who they work with; and two elements most people miss: their signature approach and what they explicitly don't do. That last field, what they never write or say, is disproportionately powerful. It eliminates the phrases and patterns that make AI output sound generic.
Here are all 12. You'll notice the ranking goes from role number 1 at plus 62% all the way to role number 12, the Contrarian Advisor, at the top with plus 77%. I'm going to walk you through the top 6 in detail, then give you the full list with copy-paste prompts in the free download linked below. But first, notice something. The Contrarian Advisor is at the top of the ranking, even though it's the last on the list. That's intentional. I'll explain why that role has the highest leverage of any role prompt when we get there. Let's start with number 1, the role that transforms copywriting output more than any other. I'm going to spend the most time on these two, role number 1 and role number 12, because together they cover 80% of the situations where role prompts make the most difference. Role number 1, the conversion copywriter. Look at the specific language: skeptical readers who have been burned before. That one phrase shifts the entire output. The AI stops writing marketing copy and starts writing the kind of copy that earns trust. The whisper technique instruction, specificity and proof over hype, is worth more than any headline formula. Role number 12 is structurally different from every other role. It's not about producing better output, it's about finding the problems in your thinking before you commit to them. The plus 77% quality lift is the highest of any role because it operates on your plan before it becomes reality. Use it on everything important. 3 more that cover the biggest professional use cases. Role number 2, the staff engineer. The detail that changes everything here is the 2 a.m. incident. When you include that framing, the AI stops reviewing code like a textbook and starts reviewing it like someone who will be paged when it breaks in production. That shifts every recommendation. Role number 3, executive comms. The principle "every word costs political capital" reorients the entire output. Instead of trying to say everything, the AI starts making deliberate choices about what earns its place in the document. Role number 4, the unit economics frame. Ask any AI for growth strategy without this role, and you'll get a list of tactics. With this role, you get a prioritized list of bets with math behind each one. Coming up, the role that has the highest unique value to unique effort ratio of any on this list. Same task, same AI. 2 completely different outputs. Left side, act as an expert. You get the defensive reassurance. Some headwinds, much stronger, committed to delivering. This is the language of every bad board update ever written. The board reads it and feels worse, not better, because they can see through the vagueness. Right side, role number 3 active. The number is stated first, clearly. The cause is explained factually, not defensively. The Q4 confidence is backed by 3 specific deals, not optimism. And there's a single precise ask. This is the principle behind the role. Every word costs political capital. When that's the operating frame, the AI makes different choices about what to include and how to say it. Here's a technique that multiplies role prompt effectiveness: stacking. Some tasks genuinely need two expert perspectives. A product roadmap needs a learning designer and a financial analyst. A strategic plan needs an executive communications strategist and someone whose job is to poke holes in it. The syntax is simple. You introduce two advisors, give each their role prompt, give each a specific focus area, and then ask them to synthesize their reviews. Then, and this is the key instruction, you ask them to flag where they disagree. That disagreement is the most valuable output. It surfaces the real trade-offs that need a human decision. Coming up, what changes after 30 days of using role prompts consistently? Here are the remaining 7 roles at a glance. I want to call out 2 details that separate these from generic role prompts. Role number 8, the investigative researcher, has one field that changes everything: labeling outputs as known, inferred, or assumed. Most AI output presents everything with the same confidence level. This role forces the AI to be epistemically honest about what it actually knows versus what it's inferring. Role number 9, the brand strategist, is allergic to mission statements that could apply to 10,000 companies. That single constraint eliminates 90% of generic brand output. When you tell AI what to be allergic to, it stops producing what you're trying to avoid. Coming up, the 3 things that change after you use these consistently for 30 days. After 30 days of consistent role prompting, 3 things happen that most people don't predict. First, you stop editing AI output into shape. The drafts start being good. You're refining, not rewriting. Second, you develop role thinking as a reflex. Before you type anything, you ask, what expert does this need? That meta question is worth more than any individual prompt. Third, and this is the counterintuitive one, your prompts get shorter because the role is carrying the weight. A 200-word role prompt with a 1-sentence task often outperforms a task-heavy prompt with no role. The role is doing the cognitive work of context setting, so your task can be precise and brief. 3 mistakes I see constantly. First, using the same role for everything. Your context vault stays the same. Your role changes based on what the task needs. Don't apply a copywriter role to a code review. Second, describing a title instead of a perspective. Senior financial analyst tells the AI a title. You think in unit economics and are specifically skeptical of models reverse engineered to justify a conclusion. That tells it how to think. And third, the never field. This is the one almost nobody includes, and it has disproportionate impact. List the 3 things AI does that annoy you most. Put them in a "you never" sentence at the end of every role. Watch them disappear immediately. One last thing before your action step, the role that's worth using on every important decision. 3 real outcomes from people who applied specific role prompts to specific tasks. Agency owner, proposal win rate up 9 percentage points in 45 days. Writing time down 75%. Founder, caught a $47,000 pricing problem before launch using role number 12. VP of operations, 0 follow-up board questions for the first time in 2 years. Notice what these have in common. Each person picked one role, applied it to one specific task type, and measured the result against a clear before state. That's the entire method. One role, one task type, measure it. Here's your action step. To get expert AI output every time, the single most important change you can make is using precise role prompts. Here's your action step. Step 1. Download all 12 prompts from the link in the description. They're formatted and ready to paste. No editing needed. Step 2. Pick your most important plan or decision right now. Not a hypothetical, the real thing you're working on. Step 3. Paste role number 12, the Contrarian Advisor. Paste your plan. Ask it to find every assumption you're treating as a fact. Step 4. Fix what it finds before those assumptions become expensive problems.
That's it. 10 minutes. And you'll understand immediately why role number 12 has the highest quality lift of any prompt on this list. Subscribe for next week. The Output Format Library. 15 formats that transform how usable your AI output is.